Stop scrolling. In minutes, you'll master ChatGPT, faster writing, sharper thinking, and creative superpowers. Think of ChatGPT as a smart writing and reasoning partner that understands prompts and replies conversationally. You ask a question or give instructions, and it generates clear, context-aware responses in seconds. Built on large language models, it predicts words skillfully, crafting explanations, summaries, and examples. From brainstorming and drafting to coding help and tutoring, it adapts to your goal. Let's tour its capabilities, history, and practical uses so you can get more done. Writing Assistant, generate outlines, paragraphs, and emails in your tone and target length. Problem solving, break complex tasks into steps, compare options, and propose action plans. Creative work, brainstorm titles, hooks, story beats, and variations to spark fresh ideas. Coding help, explain snippets, suggest fixes, write small functions, and translate between languages. Research aid, synthesize sources, outline key points, and suggest follow-up questions or caveats. Language skills, translate, rephrase for clarity, and adjust tone for audiences worldwide. In short, ChatGPT accelerates thinking, drafting, and iteration, while you stay in control. Timeline: 2022, public launch introduces conversational AI to millions, showcasing rapid, helpful dialogue. Soon after, improvements boost reasoning, context handling, and formatting for everyday tasks. Ecosystem grows. Integrations, plugins, and APIs let apps tap the same language capabilities. Multilingual strength expands. Better support for many languages and domain-specific instructions. Models become more versatile. Text, images, and code assistance unify into one experience. Reliability and safety improve with alignment research, evaluations, and policy refinements. Today, faster, more capable versions continue rolling out, powering education, business, and creativity. OpenAI develops ChatGPT with a mission: ensure that powerful AI benefits everyone. Its teams build and test models at scale, focusing on reliability, privacy, and security. Engineers refine training data pipelines, tooling, and evaluations to raise quality over time. Research guides safety. Alignment techniques shape outputs toward helpful, honest, and harmless behavior. User feedback loops, ratings, and reports help steer improvements and reduce failure modes. The result: accessible tools that make advanced AI useful for work, learning, and creativity. How it works: models learn patterns from large text corpora during pre-training. They represent text as tokens, capturing relationships, facts, and styles across contexts. At runtime, the model predicts the next token repeatedly, forming coherent responses. Reinforcement learning from human feedback nudges outputs toward clearer, safer answers. Great prompts specify goal, constraints, examples, and desired format: tables, steps, or bullets. Iterate. Ask for revisions, add context, and verify claims with trusted sources when needed. Remember, it generates text, not truth. Review, fact-check, and apply domain judgment. Education. Summarize readings, draft study guides, and explain concepts at any level. Content. Repurpose articles into scripts, posts, and emails tailored to each audience. Engineering. Generate boilerplate, refactor code, write tests, and document APIs faster. Design. Ideate styles, write prompts, and refine briefs with rapid visual iteration. Support. Draft friendly replies, classify intent, and maintain consistent tone at scale. Business. Analyze notes, generate summaries, and align teams across languages and time zones. Key benefits: speed, clarity, and creativity, augmented by your expertise and oversight.
Looking ahead, AI and people will co-create. Tools embedded directly in workflows. Healthcare uses may include drafting notes, simplifying instructions, and decision support for clinicians. I suggest testing this molecular configuration next. Modular models will combine specialized skills, reasoning, search, vision, and coding seamlessly. Education personalizes, adaptive lessons, instant feedback, and accessible tutoring for every learner. Knowledge networks expand responsibly, balancing openness with safety and strong governance. Progress needs guardrails, transparency, evaluations, and human oversight at every stage. With thoughtful design, the future is collaborative, amplifying human potential worldwide.
Recap. ChatGPT accelerates writing, reasoning, and learning when guided by clear prompts. Start small, define the task, show an example, and request a formatted output. If this helped, like and subscribe for more practical AI guides. Thanks for watching. Explore, iterate, and build great things with ChatGPT.